Once you are logged in into your account, go to the left side of the screen. You will be greeted with the list of services you can choose from. Select the service of your choice. We will be choosing WhatsApp because we want to verify our WhatsApp account. Sometimes it takes time to get the real working number if you try it first, but you can filter it by receival rate. For example, we can see that Canada has the best receival rate, and this is the country we will use for our phone verification number. Click on Canadian phone number and wait for some time so fresh new number appears. Code should come very fast. Now go back to your WhatsApp and use the number you've just purchased to verify your account. Wait for verification code to get received on 5scene.net website. So here is my verification code for my WhatsApp. Let's use it now. We can see that it works, and now it's the time to set up our account. Use your email address for extra security verification step. Now you can successfully use your WhatsApp whenever you want it. Thank you for your attention. Ask me anything in the comment section.